Okay. Oh yeah, guys. I suggest you guys if you are not, you know, 1 second. Can you see my? If you can tell me if you see my screen, right? Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, guys, yeah, I was saying that. 1 second. What? I forgot. I'm sorry. I was. What did I say before? Sorry, guys. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Okay. I'll tell you if I remember, okay? All right, now let's just play some warm up before we go to our lessons. So, I want you guys to guess the right logo. Okay, look at the first slide here. You can guess the right logo. Please open your microphone if you think that the right or on the left one is the correct one.
The
The
right
right
one.
one is the
The right
correct.
one.
The right one?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, are we agreeing on that? Okay.
yes. Couldn't agree anymore.
All right, couldn't agree more. All right, I want to ask Kak Karima. Kak Karima, how often yourself relying on the app, which is the Chrome here? How often you are?
I think almost every day.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And what are you doing for when you're surfing on the Google Chrome?
Doing my work.
Okay, doing your work. Anything else you're doing with the Google Chrome?
And then looking for something that I
Mm-hmm.
want to looking for.
Oh, okay. What do you usually look for?
Maybe something random. Maybe like
Mm-hmm.
my students sometimes ask me about Ustazah, I wanna see about maybe animals or what. So I search
Uh,
in the app.
okay. All right. So, okay. So you are being the helper for your students with the Google Chrome,
Mm-hmm.
yeah? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for telling me. All right. Next we have ooh, okay, Instagram, right? So which one is the correct one? Come on.
The
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 right.
right
right one.
one.
The
The
right
right
one?
one.
Sure about that.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, the right one. Gonna go with Camila again. How often do staff relying on the application? I hope you download this one, all right?
Yes. Almost every day. I
Oh,
think.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
And then
Um.
what are you doing there?
I have a work. Yeah, I have some
Mhm.
work in Instagram, like post the carousel or reels every two yeah twice in
A week?
a week.
Okay.
Yes, and then yeah, sometimes I find or searching
Mm-hmm.
what's going on today, what's happening today, and
Okay.
uh, on Instagram, and yeah, maybe
Mm-hmm.
also like entertain maybe.
Oh, for entertaining. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I get that.
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
So you are a person that you are keeping up with the updates, keeping up with the trend on Instagram.
Yeah.
Which you love. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. What kind of for your page you have on your Instagram? I mean Instagram Reels or yeah. How do what do we have on your Instagram Reels?
Mm, sorry. That mean like viewers or
No
like.
viewers. Instagram Reels means like just like TikTok. What's your
Mhm.
on what's on your for your page, you know?
Uh,
Yes.
okay. Honestly, I don't have something like specifically.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Maybe most of the time I explore and I interest about cooking. Cooking. I
Some
find something,
recipes. Okay.
yeah, different, or maybe um what there apa The simple recipe for my children, maybe like that.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And for entertainment, I don't have any specifically.
You don't have any
Mhm.
specific one, you mean, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
But what do
no,
you usually appear on your page? What does usually
mm,
appear on your page?
maybe reading the carousel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They have I think mm, some of people that I followed them
Mm-hmm.
sharing the education or give some education uh from their carousel page, and I read it.
Okay. Oh, okay. So, well, I think it's exchanging informations on social media, yeah?
Mhm. Mhm.
All right. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much for
thank
telling me,
you.
Camila. I'm gonna go with Kak Uri again. All right. Kak Uri, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
All right, Kak Uri, can you tell me like how often you're self-relying on the app? Same questions with Camila, please. You're on the floor, okay? You're on the stage.
Yes, of course.
Mhm.
Uh, I think almost every day, and
Okay.
I think I spend a lot with Instagram because I usually uh looking for some research maybe
Okay.
because I like to looking for inspiration or creative idea for maybe content and sharing to my partner to
Okay.
uh maybe we got new insight or good insight from the account from some account so we
Okay.
can make uh we I think you know ATM is
Oh, ATM.
modification. Yes, in Indonesia we call it ATM.
Okay.
So we can not copy but we can modification about
Oh,
the
yeah, yeah.
content or
For sure.
maybe
No
yes.
plagiarism.
Yes, just like that. And maybe uh we I think we can relate and
Mhm.
uh I usually looking for some reminders for
Okay.
myself when I get maybe when I feel like sad or feel burnt out or something
Okay.
just want to motivate I just want to make myself to be motivated again.
Okay.
Immediately.
Oh, yeah. So you need Instagram for that then.
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's a very good one. You were saying that you share the content with your partner. Does it mean your husband? Does that mean your husband?
Uh, no, not miss. I think I mean my partner is my friends.
Oh, okay.
I'm not
Okay.
married yet.
Oh, Sam. Don't worry. You're not alone in here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sam. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for telling me, Kaori. Very beautiful. Okay. Thank you. All right. Last one here, guys. We have. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, sorry. Did I actually? Oh, I think that's not the one. Okay, let's go with here. All right.
The left,
The left or on the right? Which one?
The
left,
Maybe.
last
the
one.
left.
The left one. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to go with Kak Mashita. Let's go with you, Kak Mashita. All right, Kak Mashita, do you have TikTok? I want to make sure first.
Actually, I don't use TikTok, Miss.
Oh, okay. And then, very interesting. And then can you tell me why are you not using TikTok?
Uh, I used to use it before, but
Okay.
uh, I I'd like to reduce it because
Mm-hmm.
they're short, apa ya, short video, and I worried it might can affect my attention span and
All
also
right.
wasting my time.
Okay, that's a
So
very good
I
one.
yeah, I uninstall these apps.
Okay, so we're using it once. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, you were using it once?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what is the applications that makes you keep updated then if it's not TikTok or any like Instagram perhaps?
Yeah, Instagram and X,
Oh, yeah,
Twitter.
I also have X. I think I use all of the social media. Okay, okay, fair enough.
Okay.
Wow, I think X is very good one for the updating for the
Mm,
latest update, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, I want to have one last question from you, Kamsita. What do you think about X when the people debating on something?
In X or
XX for sure.
yeah, I think when people debating something,
Mhm.
uh, uh, I feel it's tegang tuh apa ya, Miss?
Sorry?
Tegang. What is tegang?
Intense, intense.
Yeah, intense, make me intense, and I cannot enjoy the X like I used before this trend of debating something.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sure. So, you were just like a person that, oh, I'm just like surfing on the internet,
Mm-mm.
navigating or observing the internet, but I'm not doing the debating stuff. Is that what you mean, right?
Yeah, but
Oh,
sometimes it also good maybe for uh improve my improve my knowledge about something
okay.
people sharing in X.
So somehow it triggers you.
Yeah, but somehow it's
Okay. Fair enough. Thank you so much. Okay, last question is for Kak
trigger.
Ida. Thank you. For Kak Ida, I'm going to go with Kak Ida again. All right, Kak Ida, sorry, this is not the the correct pictures, but yeah, well, I mean, I want to talk about YouTube itself, okay? Do you have YouTube, Kak Ida?
YouTube. Yeah, everyone has a YouTube, right?
Or not really. But okay. All right, what do you usually watch on YouTube and or consuming on YouTube?
Of course, the first is about education or
Okay.
some like mhm, information, the important information.
Mhm.
Some politic information maybe,
Oh,
politic news or something like that.
same, same.
Yeah, for watching videos,
Mhm.
many type of videos,
Mhm. I
that's
see.
all interest in your life. Maybe viral, what is this, viral news or something like that. You
Okay.
just check it out in the YouTube. Everything's there, right?
All right. Yes. Okay.
Uh,
So do you have your favorites your favorite content creator or favorite subscriber, on YouTube? Do you have that?
I don't think so. I just no. I mean, I follow this, this for like Islamic kajian, something like that.
Oh, Islamic,
Uh,
okay, Islamic knowledge
mhm,
studies, right?
like Mutiara Hikmah official, something like
Um,
that. And then I I like to
okay.
yeah, to watch is on this podcast Lumins Luminsan Luminsan.
Ruminsan? Oh, I don't think I have heard that. Is that Islamic knowledge as well?
Yeah, this is for the woman. This with their podcast about something this important issue for the woman by English talk in English
Oh,
speaker, I think, but they're Indonesian.
oh
But
yeah, I know. Is that the girls that I don't know? I think they're in the middle age.
I think, but the host is not from Indonesia. I think he's from somewhere, something like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sister or something like that.
Uh-huh.
So I really like to watch them because
Uh-huh.
sometimes they are talking about this nice and what is this an interesting topic or something like that for us for a woman, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
I get that. Yeah,
I really
I think I
enjoy.
know that. Yeah, I think I
Yeah.
know that. I've seen it on TikTok because they also have TikTok account, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, I know. But they're speaking English like full English, but they're Indonesian. But sometimes they also speak Bahasa, you know,
Yeah, sometimes.
right? Yes. Okay. And one
But
of
you
them
can choose.
there
You
is
can
a
you can
famous
choose
one. Yeah.
because you want to learn about English more. You can choose English more than.
Yes. For sure.
Uh,
Yeah, I agree with you. For sure. You can learn English by a podcast, guys, especially if it's not AI podcast, real podcasts. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Thank you, Kaida, for sharing. All right, last one, Ka
Welcome.
Aisha. Which one is the application? Okay, the applications that you've always been updated on. Is it YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram? Ka Aisha?
Maybe Instagram.
Instagram. Let's go with
Yeah,
Instagram then. Okay.
and yeah, um,
All right.
yes.
How often what are you doing on Instagram? What are you having for?
Actually, almost. If I had what free time, leisure time, because yeah, maybe I answering my friends' DMs.
Okay.
Yeah, it's also like WhatsApp too.
Mm.
Yeah, those two apps I frequently use.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, and I also manage that one account. So maybe I had my job there.
Okay.
So yeah, I often
Right.
open this app. Yes.
All right. Okay. So, what is usually appear on your Instagram page?
Uh, Mostly like uh da'wah, like that.
Oh, Islamic
Islamic
knowledge,
content.
right? Okay.
Yes, Islamic knowledge or Arabics.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's my interest.
Mm.
And yeah, maybe
Mm-hmm.
sounds like history because I
Oh,
love history. Uh, and yeah, history from Indonesians or Europe
okay. All
or
right.
but piqued my interest is Arabic history. So yeah,
Oh, you mean
yeah.
Arabic history like the country itself, or you mean the Arabic history
Yeah.
what does that mean?
Actually, like Islamic history, we can say that
Okay.
because it's randomness. Like
Okay.
maybe I follow one
Okay.
account.
Yeah.
Its name Tarikhuna. Tarikh means history
Mm-hmm.
in Arabic,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, it has random or like some
Okay.
maybe in Prophet era or Sahaba, the company's era, or the dynasty or Umayyad dynasty, Abbasid,
Oh,
or
yeah, yeah, yeah.
below that, yeah. And oh, this pic, like the scholars,
The
not
scholars.
only the religious scholar. I mean, like we are the inventors. We were the inventors back then in our golden age. Like
Okay.
in fairness or what. I also follow that account. If I remember correctly, his name is Basil Ghazi. He he had contents about that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
So you're very
and
specific about the
it's
content.
you may see it.
All
It's
right.
I
Okay.
recommend this because Basil speaks English, miss.
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah,
really like it the way
if,
that you guys always watching the English one. All right.
yeah. If Tariq Huna, if I remember correctly, it has languages, but I follow the Arabic one, but I don't
Okay.
know if it has English version.
All
But
right.
Basil speaks English.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Kaisha. We have
Yeah.
histories girl, historian girls here. Yeah, we have Islamic knowledge. Yeah, guys, we have cooking recipes. We have the teacher who helps the students to observing the internet. We have so many here. Okay, thank you guys for sharing. Okay, now we're going back to our lessons. Okay, guys. So for sure, when we're talking about internet, I think, oh, I forgot this here, but don't worry, guys, because we're gonna talk about this one as well. But I forgot this one, but don't worry. I think we cannot we don't have much time to talk about that because I think all of you guys have one of this. Yeah, at least one of this, right? Mine is Shopee and Tokopedia. Okay, so it's very simple when you're talking about internet because today I'm going to let you guys to talk about the benefit and the drawbacks of the internet, how it's shaping the role of internet in the world, but based on your opinion for sure. But if you want to talk about internet, you can go with simple present tense, right? If you want to speak your mind both ways on the benefits or the drawbacks, which is the advantages and disadvantages of social media, you may use simple present, okay? You can go with my example here. Take as a one. One of the main advantages, it's the same thing with benefit, okay? One of the main benefits, one of the main advantages, same thing, okay? Of using internet is being able to look for detailed information regarding study or work at ease, all right? I think everyone is agreeing on that part, right? And because like so many people, not so many people, I mean, there are a lot of companies, right? They're having this system engine, the software engine that you guys can travel all of the internet to find the answer. It's very easy now because that's what the companies, the technological advancements do. Yeah. The second thing about this one is you guys can talk about it in present continuous. All right. You can say whenever you are being affected by the role of social media, you can say like this. Oh, I'm currently serving not for paying my phone credits. You're paying for your bills. I hope you guys don't use the Shopee Pay later. Okay. Okay, that would be really dangerous one. Okay. And the third thing is simple future for sure. Everyone is going with simple future but mostly simple future and simple present sih sebenarnya ya. When they're talking about internet because for sure internet is just shaping of our I would say like half of our lives, right? So yeah, the way that you use simple features when you're talking about internet, you can say like this, guys. Nowadays, government has launched Kris, ya. Kris itu dari Indonesia ya. Okay, and I think people will, you can use will. I think people will eventually stop using cash. Jadi simple feature itu adalah ada kata will-willnya. Or the second things in here is like this one here. Look at how much ChatGPT users are. I also use ChatGPT sometimes, okay? AI is going to take over monotonous task. Jadi bisa pakai will, alright? You also can use going to, okay? Itu simple feature. If you want to talk about it, for example, you want to talk about Facebook, like how good is Facebook is. I think Facebook is one of the benefit applications. Because Facebook will apa gitu kan atau Facebook is going to take over apa gitu ya. Jadi itu ada kata-kata simple feature yang mana kita memprediksi bahwa kayaknya kalau semakin banyak orang relying on this application gitu kan kayak like take example like TikTok, like how big TikTok is gitu kan, kayak how fast the transformations of TikTok is gitu, yang dimana dia bisa being the top notch gitu kan. The top notch berarti yang menjadi pilihan paling terbaik, paling teratas gitu kan dibanding yang lain gitu kan. Jadi you can see this as the prediction. If you want to talk about it in a prediction way or you want to talk about it in a simple future way, you can. Tapi kalau kalian mau main aman, you guys can go with simple present. Okay? I don't want to really be so long in this one here. Ini adalah beberapa phrases to use, guys. Di sini kalian boleh menggunakan phrases yang aku sudah siapkan. Tapi I'm not going to let you guys feel like it's very easy. I want to keep challenging somehow, okay? Jadi ini ada not ada dot. I say that because I want you to feel this ya. Jadi kalau kalian mau pakai ini ya boleh di feel sendiri ya. Artificial intelligence or internet can help or provide us apa yang bisa di provide with internet, okay? Atau you can go with Meta, ChatGPT, Google Gemini is apa? AI driven kah dia atau AI power kah dia or AI control kah dia or becoming more apa? Becoming more popular, becoming more useful, lot of things ya. Kalian boleh gunakan phrases ini. Aku bikin kalian lebih gampang aja gitu ya. Karena kan mungkin kemarin kalian kebingungan gimana ya start the words, start the sentences. Nah, from now on I'm using it with the phrases yang dimana kalian langsung bisa pakai dan ready to use, I would say that. Okay. Atau ini algorithms I use widely in designing website atau apa. Selain itu, you guys can find the other reason ya. Atau ini, each one has your internet can help us automate lots of jobs such as apa? Yang you can find on online. Kayak ini sekarang kita di English for Ahwat, right? I'm an online teacher. Ya kan? We don't meet, right? We don't touch. You don't even see my whole body. Let's go as you guys gitu. That's goes with your gitu. Maksudnya same as you gitu. You I don't see you. I don't touch you. So but well, I still can have I still can receive the high salary even on an internet gitu ya. Bisa. Oke, ini if you wanna talk about electric vehicle, jadi sebenarnya nggak terlalu kepake sih, cuman ya nggak apa-apa ya saya masukin. Tapi kayaknya nggak akan kepake juga nanti pada saat kalian writing. Ini adalah streaming services kayak Netflix, Spotify, apalagi which is YouTube, any kind of atau apa ya, pokoknya streaming ya yang bisa untuk nonton ya. You guys a few ya kan banyak ya. Jadi you can say like streaming services like Netflix will ini pakai simple feature kan will help you to track your favorite apa your favorite music, your favorite videos or movies ya. You guys can use this, okay? Jadi ini phrases gampang banget teman-teman, tinggal kalian pakai, tinggal kalian kembangkan, okay? Jadi saya harap nggak ada lagi yang kebingungan karena ya well you guys are in the level intermediate so you are expected to write as much as you can gitu ya. Atau you can say I browse the internet for an hour a day untuk apa? Karena why you browse an internet? Okay, you can start with this sentence ya. Selebihnya kalian boleh kembangkan reasonnya. Kalian yang cari reasonnya teman-teman. Atau you guys can see this if you want talking about how is the internet shaping in a role of technological advancements. Digital privacy or internet safety is of prime importance for apa? For digital knowledge, for apa gitu ya kan? For our personal information. Ya banyak lah ya. Gitu ya. The internet is accessible to apa? People need to be wary. Wary ini artinya worry ya, tapi kita pakai wary of. Why? A bit intermediate for me. Ya. Karena kan mungkin orang taunya need to be worry. Nah, I want you guys to use a wary of apa? A wary of misalnya a wary of internet too much time consuming to avoid cyberbully atau to avoid hacker, scammer. Nah, kayak gitu ya. Ada lagi phrases selanjutnya in here. Ini nanti saya kirim ke grup kok, don't worry ya. Sorry guys, one second. Ini banyak karena saya kasihkan phrases ya. Nah, ini ada lagi phrases yang selanjutnya, boleh menggunakan ini juga. Maybe you can start your sentence with this. Digital transformation is changing how. Jadi guys, you guys not only talking about internet atau apa, you guys can change it into synonym dan lebih intermediate gitu. Ya, digital information, you can say that, right? Digital information, you can say networking, you can say in technological advancements, you can say that as well, gitu kan? Jadi itu synonym yang kalian bisa pakai ketika kalian mau write a sentence about internet, alright? Atau networks nih. Networks will enable new technologies kayak apa? Misalnya sekarang, for example, WhatsApp gitu kan. WhatsApp. Dulu WhatsApp, it's only for sharing messages, right? And sending videos, etc. But nowadays, WhatsApp enable new technologies like apa? Like Meta AI, ya kan? Atau TikTok gitu. Dulu cuma video, but nowadays TikTok enable new technologies or new system or new software. Like what? Oh, like people now can buy from TikTok. So TikTok is now becoming not only for video content, but also becoming for the e-commerce content or marketing products. You can say that, ya. Atau smart home devices. But we don't use this, ya, karena kita nggak bicara soal smart devices today. Don't worry. Cuman aku masukin aja biar teman-teman tahu dan bisa baca, ya. Atau ini, it seems young generation are all digital native. Why? Nah, kalian tahu nggak digital native itu artinya? Digital native itu artinya orang-orang yang terlalu banyak menghabiskan waktu di internet ya. Jadi mungkin kata-katanya kayak addictive gitu ya, addicted to the internet gitu. Nah, sometimes kan ada orang yang spend maybe like 15 hours on internet gitu ya. Nah, kenapa hal itu terjadi? Ya, kenapa? Because apa? Mungkin because of they are fear of missing out on the trending. They want to keeping up with the trending. Apalah, ya kan? Banyak sekali reason. Atau Google. Google is the most popular search engine. Oh, take an example. Kayak tadi kata Kak Karima, when a teacher teach their students and their student ask to apa gitu kan. Nah, ini kita bisa gunakan sentence seperti ini. Or you guys can talk about Instagram. Instagram is a photo sharing platform. YouTube is a video sharing platform. Itu bisa bicara seperti itu ya. Kita bisa mulai sentence-nya seperti ini. Atau data privacy is a serious concern nowadays. Ini kalau kita mau bicara soal drawbacks atau advantages, disadvantages. Apa kekurangannya kalau orang pakai internet? Apa? Data privacy is a serious concern nowadays. People can usually fake their account. Nah, itu kan banyak tuh. Ya kan, sentence yang kita bisa mulai dari sini. Nah, jadi ini aku manjain kalian. Jadi selebihnya teman-teman boleh kembangkan, oke? Expanded your vocabulary, okay? Atau kayak gini, bisa. There's a lot of fake news on social media, such as apa? Atau kalian bisa bilang, there's a lot of media propaganda, such as apa? You guys also can use that. Atau, whenever I need to find information urgently and accurately, apa? Internet can be apa? Ya kan? Internet allow users to buy food, clothes on internet, to apa namanya, to be more acknowledged with the news, with trending news on social media around the world. So many reasons that you guys can talk about it, and then I'm giving you guys the first sentences before, karena siapa tahu kan kebingungan kan mau sentence apa yang dimulai. Alright, any question? Sorry if I speak too long and too fast because kita harus kerjain sekarang gitu. Do you have question? Questions, guys? Before we continue? I hope this...
Miss, can I
Yeah.
ask
Yes.
what is the meaning of monotonous?
The one in here. Mana tadi ya? Monotonous task itu kayak pekerjaan-pekerjaan yang, biasanya kayak kalau di human, wait, kan nggak pakai here, 1 second. Kayak monotonous task itu kayak kita sebenarnya kalau misalnya kita bilang gini ya, kita kerjain PR, alright, you're working on your assignment. Sebenarnya kamu bisa kerjain sendiri kan, maybe you can go with books gitu kan. Nah tapi karena sekarang ada ChatGPT, anak-anak jadi banyak yang langsung, they go over just ChatGPT and then just type it and then boom, you find the answer gitu. Jadi ini monotonous task, maksudnya adalah pekerjaan-pekerjaan yang sebenarnya bisa dilakukan oleh human, tapi jadinya terreplace oleh AI ya karena itu kemanjaan orang dengan ChatGPT users. Oke, Kak Uri? It was you asking, right?
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
Alright. Oke guys, kita langsung aja ya, next ya. Ada idiom stalking about internet. Ya, jadi kalau idiom stalking, ini aku udah kasih ini ya, apa was it called again? Bold. So you guys can just acknowledge with this one here. A rabbit hole itu artinya adalah kayak misalnya kita itu, you guys spending much time kayak kamu laughing or crying or just being so obsessed gitu. Dengan gara-gara kamu nonton video YouTube, jadi kamu jadi spend too much time on that, obsessing on that. You keep scroll down. Oh, ada lagi nih, scroll down. Yeah, because kan that's why the system engine of the technology doing with people, right? They're making you attract to to your page, so they keep giving you the same one, so you can scroll down just easily, right? Gitu. Atau you can say unplug. Unplug means like you take a rest from the internet, okay? Throwing shade itu adalah orang yang suka bully on internet, throwing shade, negative comments or negative chats, okay? Don't feed the trolls, maksudnya jangan biarkan haters mengganggu konsentrasi kalian gitu ya. Catch up on itu adalah orang yang suka mau updated dengan internet, catch up on. Ya, I get it from the horse mode. Ini adalah the horse mode adalah dari internet. Maksudnya dia dapat informasi sangat cepat aksesnya dari internet, the horse mode gitu. Jadi kayak langsung kalau kita type it on Google, what do you wanna looking for? Well, Google give it to you, like they provide you all the way. Okay, one click away and you provide it. You just being spoiled by the internet. Gitulah maksudnya ya. At its fingertips or at the click of button, itu same thing with, it's very easy, it's very convenient if you just use Shopee and Amazon. Why? Because it's just one click away. Kamu tinggal one click away, yeah, you put it on your basket and then you just being provided with the, what's it called again? Reckoning. What's it called again? Yeah, the account, sorry. Yeah, the account number, and then yes, You just one click away in there, and then yeah, maybe it'll only take like 1 minute, 5 minutes perhaps. Yeah, and then boom, you have your um stuff. Okay. Double-edged sword means like internet itu bisa menjadi hal yang positif atau hal yang negatif. Oke, jadi dia bisa menjadi ya pedang untuk kalian gitu loh. Dia bisa menjadi jahat untuk kalian, but dia juga bisa jadi helpful seperti itu. Ring a bell itu artinya orang semua tahu. Jadi the trending news ring a bell to everyone. Jadi kalau ada news yang trending on internet, of course semua orang bakal tahu itu gitu. Ketika mereka using the internet ya. Oke. Oke, digital natives itu adalah orang-orang yang kalau sama internet itu udah kayak candu banget gitu, addicted gitu ya. Nah, ini banyak yang terjadi. Well, so am I. Sometimes I also getting addicted to internet. Apalagi aku kerjanya lewat online ya, teman-teman ya. Online, offline, aku kerja both offline, online. So yeah, well, I have my laptop every day with me. Oh, I mean, I think partnerku laptop gitu ya. Jadi I also become a digital natives. Yeah, you can talk about it. Okay. All right. I hope it's understanding, guys. Or do you want to ask question?
That
Yes.
does the horse mouth means like in our language kabar burung, or what means?
Kabar burung.
Yes, the horse mouth. I mean,
Okay.
kayak cuman kabar apa ya, katanya gitu, or what means?
Oh, you're asking the meaning of the horse month, is that you mean?
Yeah.
Or you're
Yeah.
making sure that itu kabar burung aja artinya. Which one?
Iya, maksudnya tuh itu kayak kalau di kita biasanya lebih kayak apa ya?
Yes.
Kayak kalau di Indonesia, maksudnya lebih tepatnya gitu, atau
Oh, kayak semua orang langsung tahu gitu.
Oh,
Cepat kesebarnya gitu maksudnya.
kayak gitu kan?
Iya, jadi kayak I get it from the horse mode. Jadi kayak, kan kata-kata reliable information itu kan artinya informasinya sangat membuat kita jadi gampang gitu kan. Reliable kan itu artinya apa ya? Kita bergantung dengan informasi itu. Nah, itu kenapa kita bergantung ya? Karena kita mendapatkan aksesnya itu dengan mudah. I get it from the horse mode gitu.
Jadi karena dapat aksesnya dengan mudah gitu.
Iya, makanya ini adalah informasi yang ya, reliable information. It's just the word ya. Mungkin you can say this is important information. You guys can change it. Okay? Wait, 1 second. Alright, let's go with this one here. Game changer. Game changer itu adalah maksudnya gampang banget sih sebenarnya. Kayak kelihatan banget sih artinya gitu ya. Bahwa kalau gara-gara smartphone, you guys can, well, I think some people like act like they're worshiping the internet ya. Jadi game changer gara-gara internet is the biggest, I would say the biggest system, the biggest product. If we are going to talk about the selling, the transaction, I think internet is the biggest one. Sorry, the smartphone. I mean, sorry, the biggest product that can be the game changer ya. Jadi dia ngubah pemikiran orang-orang di dunia ini. Kayak semua orang harus punya smartphone gitu. Jadi kalau ada orang yang nggak punya smartphone, well, it looks it looks strange and weird ya kan kalau sekarang gitu. Nah, kalau bite the bullet itu artinya orang-orang yang kayak misalnya kerjaannya di engineering, like technological, like computer science, I would say that. Jadi kalau dia bilang people should bite the bullet, itu artinya orang-orang yang bekerja di bidang-bidang seperti teknologi itu harus belajar dengan keras untuk memahami bagaimana cara kerjanya internet, kayak orang data analis, ya, kayak gitu-gitulah. Sebenarnya ini nggak masuk kok di kalian untuk sentence ini, cuman aku masukin aja supaya teman-teman tahu. Ya, oke, itu maksudnya. Cutting edge itu artinya dia memakai teknologi modern, up to date ya. Kayak orang-orang sekarang kalau desain produk di mana? Di Canva. Like me, ini aku bikin material juga di Canva, ya kan? Dulu kan orang bikin material ya mungkin cuma di PowerPoint, ya kan? Tapi sekarang lihat Canva, apalagi udah di Canva Pro Premium, mereka langsung aja beli Canva Premium, ya kan gitu ya? Oke. Udah mau selesai ya teman-teman ya, sedikit lagi. Within that, some humans are hardwired to seek social connection. Hardwired artinya gara-gara internet banyak orang yang jadi, dia sulit untuk membuat komunikasi di dunia nyata. Ya, hardwired itu artinya orang yang sulit. Jadinya dia stuck on internet aja gitu. Kalau in the loop itu artinya kita apa gara-gara kita contoh ya kita pakai WhatsApp gitu ya. Itu jadi gampang banget gitu loh kalau kita pakai WhatsApp. Kenapa kita bisa bilang in the loop? Karena orang-orang yang mungkin jauh gitu kan, distance-nya dari kita, we have long distance friendship or relationship either with your family or with your husband gitu ya. Tapi gara-gara WhatsApp kita can keep people in the loop. Kita bisa tetap ngobrol, sharing gitu. Kita nggak jauh jarak iya, tapi nggak jauh hubungan. Ya itu karena ada teknologi gitu ya. Nah, kalau ada ahead of curve itu maksudnya adalah TikTok ini adalah perusahaan yang dia selalu apa namanya one way ahead. Jadi dia selalu yang paling depan gitu loh, paling depan dibanding semua company. Oh, kenapa? Karena dia selalu update gitu. Dia nggak cuma ngasih apa kayak bisa dibilang software untuk kalian bisa sharing content video. They also give you software untuk kalian bisa buying and selling product on kayak affiliate ya on TikTok. Itu namanya ahead of the curve gitu, one way ahead. Jadi ya kalau kita mau bandingin TikTok sama WhatsApp, yang mana yang lebih useful sekarang ya? I think TikTok ya. Karena kalau misalnya kita mau bicara soal up to date-nya software-nya, oke? Itu. Atau you can guys say you can order groceries at the click of button. At the click of button itu maksudnya kayak one click away. Gampang banget kita sekarang order grocery, ya kan? Dari Shopee, anything. Grab, GoFood, apa? Grab, Gojek gitu ya. Bisa gitu. Oke, any question guys? Kita udah mau mulai ya. Saya cepet-cepetin ngomong saya ini. Maaf ya.
Sorry, Miss, cutting edge tadi apa?
Cutting edge itu up to date dengan teknologi modern kayak Canva gitu.
Oh iya.
Oke?
Berarti
Anything else?
firewall, Miss?
Hardwired? Oh,
No,
firewall.
hard.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Firewall itu artinya orang-orang yang sama kayak tadi tuh, yang don't feed the trolls gitu. Jadi
Oh, apa?
ini biasanya adalah orang-orang yang dia kasih boundaries ke dirinya gitu.
Mental baja gitu ya, Miss?
Iya, gitu. Bisa dibilang kayak gitu. Dia boundaries ke dirinya supaya dia nggak ini bisa protect themselves gitu dengan negatif-negatif threats gitu ya.
Okay.
Oke.
By the bullet itu lebih ke orang yang kerja di
Yes,
tek.
technology. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Learning technology very hard itu artinya. Oke, teman-teman. Nah, ini ada beberapa benefit yang udah saya masukin. Kalian boleh pakai, tapi please jangan cuman set pakai doang terus nggak di-expand. Ini cuman sedikit aja saya masih masukin. Drawbacks juga udah ada ya. Saya nggak usah jelasin. Teman-teman boleh nanti cek aja. Sekarang kita kerjain aja. I will just give you 10 minutes ya. 10 minutes saja karena waktu juga udah nggak cukup banget. Tapi kalau misalnya ada yang sebelum 10 minutes sudah kelar, silahkan boleh banget langsung aja di open microphone. Maaf ya teman-teman, emang waktunya itu cuma 1 jam nggak cukup banget untuk speaking ya. Mungkin nanti aku akan propose ke manager untuk speaking intermediate untuk batch selanjutnya kita di 1 jam mungkin 15 menit gitu ya. Jadi kita ada waktu ya 20 minutes untuk speaking. Oke. Alright, ini ya guys ya. Aku mau Kak Ida sama Kak Mila yang Facebook. Oke. Sekarang langsung aja dikerjakan. Aku kirim ke grup ya ininya ya. Materialnya ya. Tapi aku juga akan kirim lewat link kok. Alright, Kak Ida, Kak Mila langsung aja dikerjakan. Nah, ini ya, Facebook. Terus sebentar teman-teman. Sudah ini apa lagi? Shopee. Yes, Kak Ida? You wanna ask first?
No, Facebook, right?
Facebook, Kak Ida, Facebook, dan Kamila. Shopee, Kak Karima sama Kak Masita ya, Shopee. Terus Kak Uri sama Kak Aisyah TikTok. Kak Uri pakai TikTok kan?
I don't use TikTok.
Sorry, Miss, I don't use
Oh,
TikTok.
ada yang use TikTok selain ini? Aku ganti deh. Kalau ada yang use TikTok, ada yang use TikTok di sini?
No.
Ada lagi? Nggak ada yang use TikTok sama sekali di sini. Oh, ya udah Kak. Kak Aisyah sama Kak Uri boleh apa ya? YouTube ya.
Okay.
Oke.
Okay, Miss.
Oke. Aku udah kirimin di grup ya. 10 menit aja ya teman-teman ya. Jadi habis itu. Oke, silakan. Kalau ada yang selesai sebelum 10 minutes lebih bagus lagi. Jadi ya aku bisa ini teman-teman. Sebentar, sedikit aja kok. Tiga aja benefit, tiga aja atau dua aja deh benefit ya. Dua aja benefit, dua aja yang bukan benefit ya. Itu aja teman-teman. Aku stop share screen sebentar ya.
Miss, may I ask?
Yes.
Uh, do platform suits apa ya? Kayak platform itu bisa kan kita pakai?
Bisa dong. Platform kan itu
Is
sebenarnya sosial media. Mm-mm.
okay. Thank you.
Oke.
Tell me,
Yes. Are you ready?
can we start?
Yeah, sure. Well, guys, I think wait, sorry, Kaida, before you start, I think I only can have two people because oh God, the time has lapsed again. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Yeah, but I can have you, Kaida. I think two people, yeah, Kaida and someone else. After that, yeah, Kaida and Kak Karima then. For the others, don't worry, guys. You can send voice note on the group chat, or if you don't want on the group chat to hear people hear you, you guys can send it to mine. But I suggest you on the group chat sih. On the group chat aja ya, nggak apa-apa ya. Send the voice note on the group chat. And I will respond to you in there. I'm so sorry ya guys ya. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Okay. Yes, Kaida, you can start now.
okay, Miss, this is about explain briefly. It is about Facebook, right? I
Yes.
think your choice is suit me more because I am the older people enjoying like using Facebook
Yeah.
or Threads. You know the Threads, the new ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. The older people like us, we like to use this Facebook or Threads more because in there, it's easy to use for us, you know.
Okay.
And this is also yes, very very easy to share the information like memories or something like that.
Okay.
Okay, I just make short. And for the benefits of this Facebook is like easy communication. Maybe you
Yeah.
can chat or even though now there is a call in the I think message Facebook message, right? You
Yeah.
can yes, you can call your friend or other family members. And another one is giving information, sharing information. You can get news updates or something like a story. You know, it's like there's update story. I think so many authors, the old authors, in the Facebook, that's they are writing so many story or some like book, something like that. You
Mhm.
can get from there. You know. Of course, another one is for entertainment. You know, there are so many videos and game or interesting posts or to enjoy to watch.
Okay.
Okay, the not benefit of drawback is like addiction. People may spend too much time to scrolling to read. For me, sometimes I don't remember the time to read some story, interesting story, interesting memories, something like old memories, something like that. And
Okay.
then so that is privacy risk. Maybe personal data can be shared or misused in the Facebook. You know, sometimes
Yes.
you can take something like that. And then fake news. You know this. You know this about the face FB Pro something like that.
Yeah.
They said all many fake news within the there. And I mean this
Spreading around.
yeah it can mislead information. It's very dangerous. You know.
Yes.
I
Especially
think that
for
mm-mm.
for young for
uh
this generation.
yes, of course, especially for the young generation.
Okay.
I
Anything
think that's
else?
all. No, that's all. I think was short time.
I think you really know how to talk about Facebook, Aida. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I told you that your voice for your choice for me is sweet me more.
Okay. Yeah, I know that. I was like being aware about of that. Yeah. I think I would go with I think I want you more to go with Facebook, you know. Because yeah, all the generation like my parents as well, you know, they use Facebook and Instagram, that's it. And then they think that it's very suitable for them. Yeah.
I
With the
think so.
with the humors as well.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Kaida. Thank you.
welcome.
All right, Kak Karima, last one. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm truly sorry for those of you. Ini karena kita punya kelas TOEFL juga setelah ini dan I cannot corrupt their time more. Jadi saya minta maaf teman-teman ya. I'm truly sorry, but don't worry. Kelas TOEFL ini juga udah selesai hari ini. Jadi nanti next week untuk 4 pertemuan lagi yang selanjutnya kita nggak apa-apa kalau dilama-lamain, nggak apa-apa banget ya. Semuanya bisa tampil ya. Tenang aja, nanti 4 pertemuan kita udah bisa tampil banyak. Nanti ini juga akan saya jadikan request ke manajer untuk next batch kalau ada lagi TOEFL bareng sama kita. Saya ingin mungkin kita agak cepat kelasnya untuk intermediate speaking gitu kan, karena kita nggak mau corrupt time juga untuk TOEFL class, oke? Okay? Because all of the classes are important for me. Alright, next last one, Kak Karima, please, the floor is yours. 2 minutes ya.
Okay, Miss. So, I want to talk about Shopee,
Okay.
and I really love to use this application because
Okay.
it helps me a lot.
Yeah.
Shopee is an online shopping platform
Mhm.
that allows users to buy and sell products easily
Okay.
through their smartphones.
All right.
Digital transformation is changing how people shop because the internet allows users to purchase items at the click of a button.
Mm-hmm.
Shopee provides various products such as fashion, electronics, beauty items, and daily necessities that can be accessed anytime and anywhere. So why people use it? Maybe many people use Shopee because it is convenient and
Okay.
practical. The
Oh,
internet keeps people in the loop about the
yeah.
latest trends, discounts, and promotions. Online shopping has become a real game changer since users can compare prices and read customers' reviews at their fingertips before making a purchase. And about the benefits and drawbacks, there are several benefits of using Shopee. First, maybe it saves time and energy because people don't need to visit physical stores. Second, users have many product choices with different price range. And
Mm.
third, reviews help buyers understand the product better before buying. And for the drawbacks, um, one of the drawback for online shop is that buyers cannot see the real condition of the product directly, and sometimes the item doesn't meet expectation, while in other cases it may even exceed expectation.
Mm.
In addition, people may fall into a rabbit hole of browsing products and end up buying things they don't really need. So I think that's for Shopee, Miss.
Wow. Love it. I adore you. Yeah. The way that you organize the sentences using so many idioms in there. Looking that, yeah. Looking like sounds like intermediate, don't you think, Kakarima? Yeah.
Because I read the slide before I make the sentence.
Yeah, sure. That's a very good one. I appreciate you. Yeah, because
Thank
I
you
made
so
that
much,
for you
Miss.
guys. All right, I made the sentences for you as well. All right, thank you so much, Kakarima. For the others, guys, you guys can send just the voice note right now, yeah? I'll wait you. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes, yeah? So after that, I don't receive any voice note, yeah? So you better start your voice note right now, okay? So I can give you a response and mark on your grade, all right? All right, guys. I'm so sorry for yes, I know, for the little time, tiniest one, I would say. Yeah, I know it's not fair for the others. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I think this is the first time not all of you are speaking. Yeah, but I mean, like, thank God I already make you speak the first, yeah, on the first slide, yeah, when we're talking about how often you rely on the application, so you guys have your spark in this. But don't worry, guys, you guys have my attentions. Just send the voice note now. I'll wait you until 8:21. If you not I don't receive any voice note from any other of you that you haven't presented in here yet, then I'm so sorry, I cannot proceed your mark. Okay, your grades, I'm sorry. So please just send a voice note now on the group chat, and then yeah, feel free to talk about your opinion. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for having time with us, time with this class. I hope that this topic is very interesting for you guys, and then feel free to just write down on the group chat if you have any requests regarding the topic for intermediate speaking. Very much appreciated, guys. Subhanakallah wa bihamdika, syada la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice weekend, guys.